Hey, what's going on, guys? Felipe, Febs TV, and today I will be doing the video of the actual build process for my personal rig. So real quick, before I get started, I just want to show you guys what you might want to get. You might want to get a razor to cut your boxes open, because you will have a lot of boxes to open. Anti-static wristband. When you're handling your motherboard or any any computer hardware, you want to make sure you ground yourself so you won't have any problems with electrostatic discharge, because that will ruin your hardware. So you might want to consider getting anti-static wristband, or there is another method, which is touching a metal piece on your case and grounding yourself. Another thing you might want to get is a Phillips head screw, because you will need that throughout your whole build. And right now I will start prepping my case. So first I'm going to mount these two 140 millimeter Vortex hydrodynamic bearing fans from Cougar. I will mount these at the top of the case, because as you can see it has two fan mounts. And I will also be installing the motherboard standoffs, and yeah, so I'm gonna get started with that, guys. So I just finished prepping the case. Now I'm about to begin the external build. Unfortunately, I won't be able to show the process because I don't have a cameraman. It's gonna be very difficult for me to record while I'm doing the external build. So the external build just consists of installing the CPU, RAM, and I don't have a video card, so I'll install those two things on the motherboard, and that will be my external build to see if it's working, if I get the splash screen. So guys, I just finished installing the Hyper 212 Evos mounting screws. So right now I will start the CPU installation. This is the Intel i5 3570K microprocessor. So I will begin the installation, and relatively easy. It was just disengaging the lever right there, and taking off the cap. And remember to line up the notches, and it's simple. Just drop it, zero insertion pressure, and that means, zero insertion force, so you won't have to push it down or anything. Now I will begin the Corsair Vengeance RAM installation. Our Cooler Master 212 properly installed, and we have our RAM. Now we're ready to plug in our PSU connectors to the motherboard to test out to see if it goes through post. Alright guys, so I have installed the motherboard and CPU power, and I'm ready to test out to see if it goes through post. So we're gonna hit the power button. As I spin.
Come along, children. Now we're gonna have a